name is Michael Dowling, proudly representing Pello Property, and what a privilege it is to show you through this unique residence here in West Ryde. Let's go take a look. With 4 bedrooms in the main residence plus perfect accommodation for a growing family, what I think most people will love, however, is this completely detached 2-bedroom granny flat at the rear of the residence, which is also completely separate. So you've got your own fence lining for the main residence as well as the granny flat, which makes it perfect for that dual accommodation, whether it be renting it out in the future or family living and having complete privacy. Completely set up family residences such as this in great locations are hard to find. If you have any further questions, make sure you give me a call and I'm more than happy to help. Otherwise, we look forward to helping you at our next open home.